In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Webhook in n8n. First, open n8n in your browser. You can use the cloud version or your own self-hosted instance. The process is the same. Once you're in, head to the workflow editor. If you're redirected there automatically, great. If not, simply navigate to your workflows so you're looking at a blank canvas where we'll add our trigger. On the canvas, click the plus icon to add a new node. In the node selector, type Webhook into the search bar and choose the Webhook node. This node will create an endpoint that can receive requests from external services, which is how we'll kick off the workflow. With the Webhook node selected, choose the HTTP method you want to accept. For most integrations that send data, POST is the common choice. If you only need to ping the endpoint to check it's alive or to trigger without a payload, GET may work. Put, patch, and delete are available for more specific use cases, but pick the method that matches the service that will call this webhook. Next, enter a path. This becomes the unique part of your webhook URL, so make it descriptive and easy to remember. Avoid spaces or special characters. Using hyphens or underscores is a good practice. The path helps you keep multiple webhooks organized within the same environment. Now select your authentication option. If you're testing internally, you might start with no auth. For a more secure setup, use a header token, basic auth, or a signature mechanism supported by your integration. The goal is to ensure only trusted sources can call your webhook, especially if the URL is accessible from the internet. Choose how the webhook should respond. You can return a response immediately or after the workflow completes. Immediate responses are great when the caller expects a quick acknowledgement, while responding after execution lets you send back processed data. If you're unsure, immediate is often the safer default during testing. Finally, click Test Trigger. n8n will start listening for an incoming request and display the test URL for your chosen method and path. Send a request to that URL from your app, a webhook testing tool, or a simple HTTP client. When the request arrives, you'll see the data captured in the node confirming that your webhook is connected and working. That's all it takes to connect a webhook in n8n. You've added the webhook node, configured the method path, authentication, and response behavior, and verified everything with Test Trigger. You're now ready to integrate external services and start automating with real-time events.